This is an original lithograph poster from 1905 advertising the magician, the Great DeVille. We removed it from board, we lineed back the poster, we pieced in the missing paper, and did color restoration. See all that today on PosterFix. Hi, I'm Chris, and welcome to PosterFix. Today we have these two marvelous lithographs, which you are going to see us linen back and restore. Take a look. From this collection of magic posters, the Great DeVille is mounted to very acidic board, and on the back is a Japanese poster that is also in need of restoration. So we're going to remove both of these from the acidic board and linen back them. Keep in mind, the boards that these posters are mounted to have acid in them. The posters have been mounted for several decades. The poster paper also has acid. So the condition of the poster is likely very weak, and we will have to take precautions to prevent it from breaking apart as it comes off the board. Oki is using her many years of experience in this kind of work to gently separate the plies of paper so that both posters can be saved. It's kind of tricky. Oftentimes it's easier to save one side than the other, but Oki's got the technique down. These boards are probably over 70 years old and have been turning brown from the acid, and the acid's not good for the posters. The posters themselves have acidic problems of their own. And after 100 years of acid deterioration, these posters are bound to be fragile. I'm now mounting a piece of acid-free paper to the cotton canvas. This will be the surface on which we mount the two lithographs. One last tuck of the paper, and the screen is ready to receive the posters. I'm applying the wheat paste directly to the acid-free paper and laying the poster down on top of it. I'm spraying the poster with acid-neutral water to help it expand and become more pliable to the rolling out process. Then, taking a roller, I will be pushing out the excess air pockets and the excess wheat paste to make the poster nice and flat. Now that I've washed the poster off and made it clean, we're going to mount this Japanese magic poster. This poster seems to have both Japanese and Chinese characters on it. I don't know who these magicians are. Incidentally, the DeVille poster has had its margins chopped off sometime in the past 100 years, and later in the video you will see us restore the margins. We're going to let these two lithographs dry for a couple of days before we commence with the restoration. You won't want to miss that. I wanted to remind you that if you have any questions about the restoration of your vintage posters, how to get them restored by me, send me an email or give me a call. Tell me something about your posters. Tell me their size, tell me their condition, send me a few photos. That will help me determine a price to give you in the restoration and linen backing of the posters. I look forward to seeing what you have. A few days have passed, and Oki is burnishing the posters to make sure they're nice and flat, to make sure the ridges and the rips hug the paper and the poster is good and flat. Now she's measuring to give this poster an extra 1/4 or 3/4 of an inch border, a new border. This poster does not require a new border, but this one does. She's making a border from paper pulp mixed with methyl cellulose, an acid-free type of paper. When this dries, it will effectively be a paper, and now she's sanding it to make sure that it is nice and flush with the canvas. using a very fine grade of sandpaper, I might add. Now mixing colors, she is creating the color of this border, matching it to the vintage paper's true color. This is water reversible gouache mixed with acrylic. Now Oki is taking watercolor, gouache, and acrylic and retouching the creases where the breakage had occurred and where the color is missing. This is water reversible color. And Oki is a master at matching color. This also has an extra little blue border going around it that has to go around the title. Notice Oki's wonderful brush technique. Noticing the speckles of the lithography in the letters, we're discussing whether to touch it up and make the letters white, but we decide against it to keep its authentic look. We only correct flaws when they're really detrimental to the image. Otherwise, printing flaws give the poster its authenticity. We're finished up now and we're removing the masking tape from around the poster, and I'm going to cut this down. What has she got to do to this one? A few final touch-ups with watercolor markers to make sure it's all looking nice and whole. Water reversible colors. In the future, if this poster needs to be relined again, those colors will wash off and it can be retouched another time. At PosterFix, we bring your vintage posters back to life. As Oki removes the final pieces of masking tape from this poster, you'll now get a chance to see what her marvelous new border looks like. As I take it away to trim it down. Well, that about wraps it up for another edition of PosterFix. I hope you enjoyed watching my team at work today. Remember that we always look forward to seeing what you want to send us, so keep them coming. We appreciate it. Until next time, take care.